do this. This is my opportunity. I can do it. Yes, I can. So, this has always been my dream. Can you please make this happen?
Well, if you want it so much as you say, I guess you know what to do.
You don't like the pictures I sent? Can I send more?
Young lady, I don't talk too much. If you want it, come get it.
Sir, I don't understand. Now that I've given you what you wanted, hope I get the job now.
Well, you've played your part very well, I must say. But let's leave things in God's hands.
How? Really? No, really? Why didn't you tell me that before you had me? You're just a miserable person. And that God you just called will judge you. God will judge you. God will judge your generation. Bastard!
Okay, enough with the back and forth, okay? It's getting boring and it doesn't suit you. Come on now. Don't be a stubborn girl.
I don't understand.
Okay. Let me make you understand in the simplest language. How about we play ball?
My name is Mo. No Gigi Buffon.
You know, I didn't catch your name. I did not.
I didn't choose. Oh. I guess she just finished playing ball.
Now listen to me. If you will not play ball, then get off the field.
You shut your mouth.
Let me ask you, were you sexually abused before being appointed to manage this project? I guess no. This young girl and many others have been subjected to pathetic manhood. You are disgusting, irritating. I will not let you have your way with me. I will fight to get what I passionately desire. And to every young girl that you have abused, I will make you pay.
Dear young girls, every time you bow to pleasure and hand over your body to predators like this, you empower their monsters, encourage their wickedness, and endangers more young ladies. Stay believing. Your big chance will come.